I've always thought about fashion being more than style and trends. Sometimes it helps you feel like you belong to a certain group. Other times, you get to transform to a completely different person. Style helps you blend in or stand out. Style to me is something inherent. It's in your DNA. You can learn about fashion, but you can't learn about style. Growing up, I didn't know much about fashion or style. I used to love watching the women in my life find their style and identity in the clothes they wore. I remember when I was a kid, I watched one advertisement on TV, and it was basically about a mascara, I believe, and the model was using an eyelash curler. I was so impressionable that I thought that she was actually cutting her lashes. So what I did was, after the commercial was over, I went into my mom's bathroom, found a scissors, and I completely chopped off my eyelashes. I mean, I was the laughing stock of my family for like a month after, because I could barely blink because it hurt so much. I guess being myself is impactful in finding myself and my style. So many people think, being a Muslim woman, I can't get to be creative, stylish, have fun, or even make a statement with the clothes that I wear. Personally, I don't think I can conform to a specific type of style. I like experimenting, having fun, and not taking it too seriously. There isn't any rules to fashion, and that's the beauty of it. Just because I dress a certain way doesn't mean you should. It's all about the attitude and the confidence. I love creating outfits that match my personality and the mood that I am in that day. I think confidence is one of the most important things when it comes to fashion. Because you could be wearing the most basic outfit, but your confidence transforms it into something completely different. Confidence is something I personally struggled with. I remember thinking I'm too skinny, I'm not pretty enough, this doesn't look good on me, and so on and so forth. And I realized with that mindset, I didn't feel confident in what I wore. And nothing really looked good on me, if that makes sense. And then one day I just decided to change my mindset. Every day in the mirror when I'm dressing up, I'll just look at myself and say, you know what? You look good. The day my mindset about how I thought about myself changed, everything else about how I viewed myself changed. I started wearing my hijab around the time I finished high school. I would say that's the time I started discovering myself. During my time in high school, I never wanted to stand out like a sore thumb. Because being a minority in my school, I just wanted to shrink myself. So I thought wearing a hijab made me stand out. I didn't know it would be a big part of who I am today. I would describe my style as chic, playful, timeless, and overall modest. I want to show girls like me that it's okay to be modest and look great at the same time. Sometimes standing out is a good thing. My style makes me who I am and what I stand for. What's yours?